So hi everyone. So today's problem of the day is XOR after range multiplication. Query 1. So what is given in the problem is like you are given an integer array nums of length and 2D integer array queries which is of size q with queries of I equals to li, ri, ki and vi. For each query you must apply the following operation in order. What operation we need to apply for each query? First we need to set our index as L. L is the like this first value of query. Then what we will do, we need to traverse this L till R less than equals to R, and then update nums of idx equals to nums of idx into vi modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So and then we need to set idx plus equals to ki, and at the end we need to return the bitwise XOR of all the elements in now. So basically what is given in this problem is like we have given the nums vector, and we have given the queries. Queries is like 2D array, and in each query we have given four values: li, ri, ki and vi. Li is representing the left, ri is representing the right, ki is representing how many index we can jump from the previous index, and then vi is the multiplier which we need to do the multiply with all the values. So it is like easy problem only. We need to start from the li index, and we need to traverse till this li index not less than equals to ri, and we need to multiply all the nums I value with the this vi value, and we need to do modulo of 10 to the power 9 plus 7 for all the values. And at the end, if we are done with this li value, then what we need to do is like if we start from some value like 0 index we start. If the ki value is 2, so after 0th index we will move to the 0 plus 2 is like 2. So we will move to the second index. We will skip the first index and then we will move to the second index. If second index is done, then we will move to the 2 plus. Again, we will add the ki value. Ki value is 2. So again, we will move to the 4 index. Like that, we don't need to traverse from all li to ri index. Li we will start, then we will jump to ki index every time, and our index should be less than equals to ri. We can explain this with the help of example. Yeah, understand this with the help of example. अगर अपने पास example दिया है nums of I 111 and queries we have given 0, 2, 1 and 4. Only one query is given in this question. So up to देखेंगे तो we need to start from li value is 0, ri value is 2. So we need to start from index 0 till index less than equals to 2. And this is like the multiplier value. Like this we need to multiply. So and this we need to do the this value plus this value we need to do for every index. तो अगर अपन यहाँ पे start करेंगे li value is 0. So we will start from index 0. So index 0 पे we have the value 4. We have the value 1. So we will multiply 1 with 4 because we need to multiply every value with the 4. 1 into 4. So it will be 4 only. So this starting is 111. So now this 1 is changed to 4. Then we will this is the 0th index. Then what we will do, 0 plus ki we need to do, and 0 plus ki value is 1. So we 1. So now index is 1. Then index is 1. So in 1th index, again we will multiply this value. So this will be again 4. Then again we will in index we will again add this ki value. Then index will become 2. If index will become 2, then we will again multiply this value at index 2 with this 4. It will also become 4. So if at the end what we need to find the we need to find the XOR of this value, all the values of num. If I will try to find the XOR value of this num element, so it will be 4 into 4 XOR 4 XOR 4. We know the same XOR, if the two values are same, then that XOR of that values will be 0. It will be 0, 0 XOR 4. So if we will XOR any value with 0, and so it will be 4 only. We will get the answer 4. Let's see with example 2. In example 2, we have given the nums 2, 3, 1, 5, 4. And subquery we have given 1, 4, 2, 3 and 0 to 1, 2. We will start with the first query. First query what we have given is like we have given 1, 4, 2, 3. So L is 1. So we will start from index 1 till index less than equals to 4. So index 1 we will start to at index 1 we need to multiply with 3. So index 1 is this, we will multiply it with 3. So it will be, I will write this value, so it will be 9. Then again we will move to this and now we will move 2 times. The index will be added 2 times. Like if the initial index is 1, then now the index will be 1 plus 2. So now the index is 3. Third index is this. Again we will multiply 3 into, because we need to multiply in every index 3. So we multiply in this index also. So it will be 15. And then again IDX is 3. Again we will add KI value. KI value is 2. So it IDX will become 5. And since there are these array only have index till 4 and we don't have 5, so we will move out of this array. And also if there are values also, we need to traverse till less than equals to 4 only, because our R value is 4 only. So in that case also we need to traverse till this index only. Then we will go to the second query, 0 to 1/4. We need to start from index 0. So index 0 is this. We need to multiply 2 in this index, so it will become 4. Then we will move our index by 1. So now index will be 1. And we need to go till index 2, means this index. Now again in this index also we will multiply with 2. So this will become 18. And then we'll go to this index, multiply with 2, so this will become 2. So finally we will get the num, what will be the values of the nums vector? 4, 18, 2, 15 and 4. At the end what we need to do is like we need to XOR all these values, like 4 XOR 18, XOR 2, XOR 15, XOR 4. So if we will do the XOR of all these, we will get 31. And our answer is 31. Now we will coming to the constant. Constant is like nums.length will be start from 1 to 10 to the power 3. Nums of 5 from 1 to 10 to the power 9. Queries length will be maximum till 10 to the power 3. And yeah, L and R will be 0 to n, because n is like the length of the num. So it can go till n only. Ki is also n. And Vi is 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5 means this we need to multiply with all the values. Now, so this is 10 to the power 5. So if we will go with the solution. So our solution is like brute force approach only we have done for this. Because if you will see the time complexity, so we need to traverse through all the queries, and queries length is 10 to the power 3. Can be maximum till 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3, and if we will try to traverse through all the element of nums uh, nums length can be start from 1 to 10 to the power 3 to maximum till 10 to the power 3. So our time complexity will be 10 to the power 6 only, and it is less than 10 to the power 8. So we can easily apply brute force approach here. And one more thing in this question we need to notice कि जो nums of I value is 10 to the power 9, maximum can be 10 to the power 9, but and this vi value, vi is the value we need to multiply with all the values of nums. This vi value can be maximum 10 to the power 5. So if we will multiply this maximum num psi value with the maximum vi value is 10 to the power 5. So it will be like so we will get value which is like more than, or it is more than 10 to the power 8, which is like the integer value. So what we need to see from this constraint is like if we multiply this num psi maximum value with the vi value, it can go out of the integer value. So we need to store that value in long. Otherwise, we will get the integer overflow issue. If I will go here, सबसे पहले हमने सॉल्यूशन में क्या किया है, we have declared the int n is basically the length of the side nums array, and m is the length of the queries array. We will traverse from 0 to m, like we will traverse from starting to end of for all the queries. Then we will declare the L, R, K, and B. L is the length, is the left, R is the right, K is the like how many times we need to how much number we need to add from the in the previous index to move to the next index. And this V is like we need to multiply this value with every value of the nums. Now what we will do is like we will do is this left should be less than equals to right. It is given in the condition, and जो L होगा should be less than N, because otherwise we will move out of the array, and if we will try to access the value out of the array, we will get an error. So to show that the error should not occur, we are doing this L less than equals to N. Now we have seen कि num psi value can be maximum till 10 to the power 8, and this what we call is this V. We are multiplying the value. Its value can be till 10 to the power 5, and it will not come under integer. So we need to declare the long value. Otherwise, we will in this line of multiplication we will get the overflow issue, like we are not we are getting the issue like this value we can't store in int. So I have declared long x and assigned the same num cell value. Then I have multiplied that value with v, and I have do modulo. Modulo it is not written in the question. It should be written in the up that const int mod equals to 10 to the 1e 9 plus 7. This we need to do modulo with all the values. Then num cell at the last we will assign that value we got, this x value we got in lth index, and then we will do L plus equals to K. We will go to the next index. Like this we will do with all the values till L less than equals to R. Then at the end what we need to do is we need to do the XOR of all the values, and then we will return the XOR. Now if you will see the time complexity in this case, there is one loop M. The time complexity will be M into, in this L is less than equals to R. If we will see, L can be minimum 0 and R can be maximum n minus 1. So maximum this another loop can run n times. So we go of m into n. यहाँ पे जो m है, m is the length of the queries vector and n is the length of the nums vector. Then we will talk about the space complexity. Space complexity, we have not used any extra vector or something. The space complexity will be of 1 only. But you can see you will say if we have not used any extra vector, but we have declared integers. why we are not counting these value in this time complexity? Because if you will try to find the time complexity using these integer value also, it will be something like 4 into some x. The number of time x times agar we have declared integers x times, like in this case I have declared integer 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 7 times, so it will be 4 into 6, but 4 into 6 is like constant value only, so we can write big of 100. Okay, so thank you.